In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on solving questions on limits of functions. So let's start with this question. We are given x minus 2 into x squared plus 3x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. I also find the limit as x approaches 2. So the first we're going to do here is to replace this x with 2. Then I substitute 2 for this x. So we have 2 minus 2 into 2 squared plus 3 times 2 is 6, then minus 2 over, I have 2 squared is 4 minus 4. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 multiplied by all of this is equals to 0, then over 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is indeterminate. So let's go ahead and simplify this function and reduce the numerator and denominator to its simpler terms, and then know if there is any similar term that will cancel each other. So let's start. We have limit as x approaches 2 of x minus 2 into x squared plus 3x minus 2 all over. Now this x squared minus 4 is difference of two squares. So to factorize it, we write it as x plus 2 x minus 2. Now it happened that this part of the numerator can be factorized, alright, so that's why I left it. So as you can see, x minus 2 and x minus 2 has cancelled. So you have limit as x approaches 2, then you'll be left with x squared plus 3x minus 2 over x plus 2. So let's go ahead and substitute the value of x, which is 2, into this expression. So we're going to have 2 squared plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 over 2 plus 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2 over 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is equals to 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 2 is equals to 8 over 4. 8 over 4 is equals to 2. So the answer to this question is 2. Second question, we have limit as x tends to 0 of course x over x minus 2. First to solve this question, so we plug in the value of 0 into this x. We have cos 0 over 0 minus 2. So cos 0 is equals to 1 over 0 minus 2 is equals to negative 2, then equals to negative 1 over 2. So as you can see, we got this answer by direct substitution of the limit. So we didn't get indeterminate value this time around. So let's solve this question. So you've asked to find the limit as x approaches 2, then the function is x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So if you plug in the value of 2 here, you see that you are going to get 2 times 2 is equals to 4 minus 4 over, we have 2 here, 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0 over 0, indeterminate. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify these expressions here. So x squared minus 4 is difference of two squares, which can further be simplified as x plus 2 x minus 2, then over the denominator is x minus 2. So as you can see, this and this is going to cancel. We will be left with x plus 2. If you sub in x is equals to 2 into this expression x plus 2, we are going to get 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. So the answer to this question is equals to 4. Let's go ahead and solve other questions. So as to find limits as x approaches 3, they are given the function x squared minus 4 x plus 3 over x squared minus 9. So let's substitute the value of 3 into this question. So I have 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 3 over 3 squared minus 9. Now 3 squared is equals to 9. 9 minus 12 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is equals to 0 over 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this again is indeterminate. So let's reduce this expression. So I have limit as x approaches 3. Then we can factorize this numerator, right? Let's check. So two numbers that when you multiply them you get 3. If you add them you get negative 4. Okay, those two numbers are negative 1 and negative 3, because negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So we open two parentheses and then we write x. So we have negative 1 and negative 3. So we have factorized this numerator. Then over the denominator is difference of two squares. X squared minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 and then x minus 3. Alright, so as you can see, this x minus 3 and x minus 3 will cancel. We'll be left with limit as x approaches 3. We have x minus 1 over x plus 3. So let's go ahead and substitute the value of this limit, which is 3, into this question. So we have 3 minus 1 over 3 plus 3, which is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 plus 3 is 6. If you reduce it further, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the answer to this question now becomes 1 over 3. Let's solve another question. So we have limit as x approaches 2. They are given the function x squared minus x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. So let's substitute the value of this limit into these expressions. We have 2 squared minus 2 minus 2 over 2 squared minus 4. So 2 squared is equals to 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0 over 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is indeterminate. Let's go ahead and reduce this to its simplest term. So have limit as x approaches 2 of, then if you find two numbers so that when you multiply them you get negative 2. When you add them you get negative 1. Now these two numbers are positive 1 and negative 2. So you have plus 1 here and minus 2. Minus 2 times plus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then over. This is the difference of two square here. X squared minus 4 can be factorized as x plus 2, x minus 2. This and this will cancel. We'll be left with limit as x approaches 2, then x plus 1 over x plus 2. So let's substitute the value of this limit. We have 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 over 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So this 3 over 4 is the answer to this question. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video you'll be the first to watch it. Also don't forget to like, share and comment. See you in my next video.